Hello guys! For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made this flower, which I will be using for the Tinkerbell-Inspired costume. So I will be needing these Indophil yarns, peach and pink colors, 3.5mm hook, pair of scissors, darning needle, and then we will begin with the pollens, the ones at the middle of the flower. So now to begin, grab your pink yarn and your 3.5mm hook. Using a single pull yarn, you make a loop just like this, and then just make single crochets in the circle or in the magic ring. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So just pull this end and then slip stitch on the very first single crochet. After that, you can cut the yarn. Okay, so for now, we're going to make the petals. Just grab your peach yarn, insert your hook on one of the chains in the pollen. In this particular flower, I'm going to tie this to secure it. Okay, so just do this. And then I'm gonna insert my hook one more time and make sure to have a single crochet. After that, make a chain of 3 and then skip 1 chain and single crochet on the next, another 3 chains, skip 1, and on the next is single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 3 chains, skip 1, on the next is single crochet. Just repeat this process until you have 5 foundation for the petals. Okay, so after that, you make a slip stitch on the very first single crochet. Okay, instead of chaining 1, you go to the first chain space and make 6 single crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then on top of the single crochet, you will place a slip stitch. Okay, just make a slip stitch here. And then don't make a chain of 1. Proceed to the chain space and make 6 single crochets. So just repeat this for 5 times until you complete the petals. Now I'm down on the last petal, so just make 6 single crochets here and then slip stitch on the first petal and make a chain of 1 and you can cut the yarn. So this is it. This is the flower which I will be using for my Tinkerbell-inspired costume. The last thing you'll have to do is just to weave the ends and then you're done. Okay, so these are the flowers and I made a lot of these because I will also be doing a headband for the Tinkerbell costume. Okay, so I just hope that you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also you can ring the bell so you can be notified for my next videos. Thank you for watching.